How beautiful the levels are. I asked you to sell gold at 1822. First target was 1818 and I told you 1815 levels. It is precisely 18 achieved precisely 1815 levels. Likewise, US crude too has gone traded little bullish till 76.5, which was the first resistance level. I hope you all profited there too. Now what to expect with the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the latest analysis. In this analysis, first we look into gold, followed with crude oil WTI. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the level. Now see, on the hourly charts, it failed to trade above 1825, 1830 zone and has given a good break, and in last two candles itself, it's shown a good drop. Now see, this is also trading outside Bollinger Bands, which is trying to pull it back on the upside. 1815 definitely is a very good support. That is the first part. Now directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking down on the hourly charts. The MACD has again crossed over. This is again divergent and bearish. It is also looking down. RSI is looking down. Now look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, you can see this is the sixth consecutive red candle and the body size is consistently increasing. Be cautious of 1815. Below that, we may see a little more drop because see, this is still trying to trade bearish. I will be cautious. Yes, it is looking forward to this zone at 1810, 1809 levels. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has again crossed over for a sell entry and RSI is looking down. It has come to oversold levels now. If you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also similar is the observation, increasing body size here, and this makes 1815 certainly a good support because below that 1810 1808 levels will be seen, which is the next support levels. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is looking down. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and if you look at the RSI, this is also looking down. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, interestingly, it is also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands here in the at 1815 levels. And if you can see, only buy entry today is above 1826 levels, beyond which you can expect 1830, and beyond that it may try to reverse a little more, and hence till 1830 you have to be watchful and cautious. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and if you look at the RSI, this is also looking down. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now you can see the previous was an indecision candle and this candle has given lower highs, and you can see it is trying to give you lower lows. Certainly be watchful of 1815 levels. This is also 100 period moving average, which is giving it a little support because below that 1810 1809 levels is going to be the next support. That is the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and if it slides more, the 1800 is the ultimate support level there. Be watchful there, and for the day do not trade between 1815 1825 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is bearish yet trying to converge a bit. RSI is also looking down, indicating little bearishness. Considering this, for the day you can buy at 1825 but then expect 1830, and only if it trades above 1830 consider this for a reversal for 1835-40. Till the time it trades below 1825, do not buy gold here. On the downside, you can sell here at 1815 levels and expect 1810 1809 1808 zone rather, I will say, first and stronger support, and then below that it may try to touch 1800 levels. Be cautious till then, be careful till then. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and sell only at 1815, buy at 1825 levels. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. Until then you have to trade with a stop losses, and yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, if you want to learn the analysis the way we do, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. Reserve your seats now itself. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for crude oil. Now see, in the morning I told you 76.2 76.5. Be cautious of this zone. Precisely it has reversed from the same levels, and if you look at two sharp red candles, probably this candle may try to take it till towards 77.5, which is the next support. So now we know that in between these levels, between 75.5 and 76.5, we should not take any trade. Below that 75 is the next target, and below that certainly more bearishness can be seen. Directional movement on the hourly charts is bullish. Stochastic has dropped there. The MACD has crossed over, and this is divergent. This is bearish. This is looking down. RSI is also dropped a bit. And if you look at 2-hour charts, now see on the 2-hour chart, see the rise started from here, achieved the highs. Now 75.5, 75.4 levels you should watch out for. If it draws below that, certainly this will call for a little more bearishness, which might take it for 75, 74.7, and then below that 74.4, 74 levels. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here and crossover for a sell. RSI is at comfortable levels. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts too, after a rise, see there is a pullback on the candles. You can see it failed to sustain the bullishness. Lower highs are seen. This is the first candle. Probably there could be a second candle which might try to take it till towards 75.2, 75 levels, and in fact it can trade further lows. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here a bit. RSI is also trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour chart. See, similarly what we had seen on the hourly charts, you can see there is a reversal, but wait for it to break past 75.4 levels, because below that only it may show you a little more bearishness, where 75 and 74.7 levels you should watch out for. If it breaks, further bearishness can be seen. Directional movement little more in green. Stochastic was overbought, and that is why we can see a red candle. The MACD is in green. Probably it may try to converge a bit. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily chart, on the daily charts you have seen this several times in our analysis. Head and shoulders here on the daily charts, but at the same time higher lows, lower highs, and hence this is still in the phase of consolidation. Only and only if 73.8 levels is breached, you can consider that this is trying to trade bearish on the daily charts. For till then we have to be watchful. Also look at this. This is giving you higher lows, and possibly it can try to bring it little down till towards 75.5 and below levels. Be watchful there, and hence considering this, you can buy at 76.5 and sell at 75.5 levels. It is bearish on the daily charts. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD is in red. It may converge if it continues to trade bullish from here, and RSI is flat. Considering this, sell at 75.4 rather, I will say, and buy at 76.5. In between this $1.1, do not take any position. Below 75.4, first target 75, then 74.7, and below that we may see a good drop for 74.4, 74 levels. Only and only if it reaches below 73.8, further bearishness can be expected. On the upside, beyond 76.5, 76.8, 77.4 are the targets. Beyond that, we can expect 78 levels. Till the time it trades between 78 and 73.8, do not try to keep or holding any position. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my single channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.